Jonas Olson here with Turf Badger Pest Control. Today we're just going to go over a quick video on a do-it-yourself pest control where you can go to any Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, things like that. Doing something out here is better than nothing. Again, it's relatively inexpensive and it's a great way to protect your home. In pest control, there's 4 types of services that you guys should really focus on. One is the exterior of your home, the next is the interior of your home, and then the garage, and then the yard. The first thing that we're going to talk about is Ortho Home Defense on the interior and exterior of your home. It's relatively inexpensive. You can use this on the interior and in the exterior of your home. This product will last up to, it says a year on the inside, so as long as it's out of the sunlight and the UV rays, it could last up to a year on the inside. It can also be used on the exterior of your home along the base. The one downfall of this product, if it's outside and it is getting hit by the sunlight, the light and the heat and UV lights, it will actually be a little bit less active. So you're gonna have to apply it more regular than normal. You're gonna wanna apply this probably every 2 to 3 weeks. But it is a great product. It's pretty inexpensive. I think I paid like $27 for this at Menards, so you can just pick it up. It's got a handy little wand on here. It's electric, just runs off AA batteries, comes with them. And it's got a couple different settings on the end. One is for the interior. On the inside, you're gonna wanna go around your home and just do a 4-inch perimeter spray around all the baseboards, cracks and crevices, around doors and windows. And then the exterior, we're just gonna take this wand and we're gonna go around the entire foundation. You wanna go about 12 inches up on the base of the home with a nice even coat to keep out all the bugs. So the next thing that we're gonna focus on is the crack and crevice treatment. Over time, the house will settle and cracks in the foundation just tend to happen. So you're gonna wanna do an inspection along the base of your home, along the foundation. And anywhere you see any cracks or crevices, you wanna just put a couple of puffs. It doesn't take a whole lot. And in this house, we actually found a spot right here where some of the caulking came away from the house. We're gonna dust that. You can buy this again at Lowe's or Home Depot. You can also buy diatomaceous earth. They have that there, works pretty well over the counter. It really doesn't take a whole lot, just wanna put a couple puffs in each section. Again, this will last up to a year. Really good product, it has a good residual. So the next part of the service that we're gonna work on is the garage. A lot of insects and small rodents are attracted to the garage for many different reasons. In the summertime, they're trying to get out of the heat. In the wintertime, they're trying to get out of the cold. A lot of people keep their garbages in here, so they're attracted to the food. Some people store food in here that may be spilt, or maybe some plants from the summer that is spilt. All these things attract bugs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these Tomcat sticky traps. And these are basically for monitoring bugs. They're very sticky, and you just put them underneath the fence of the garage, and the insects will be attracted and they'll walk through. And same thing with small rodents. Rodents move along the wall, and if they're in the garage, they will be in here. And it's just a way to monitor what's going on in the garage. You're just gonna set them right along the wall under each sensor of the garage door. So the last part of your pest control service that you're gonna wanna focus on is where the bugs come from to begin with, which is the lawn. So right here I have a bag of 7. It is a bifenthrin granule. And you're just gonna wanna use your regular fertilizer spreader, and you're gonna wanna go around at least the perimeter of your house 2 times. This one bag here will treat up to 10,000 square feet, so pretty much most residential houses. If you have bigger lawns, you want the whole lawn treated, you can get a couple more bags. This says that it will cover up to 100 insects, fleas, ticks, cinch bugs, ants, spiders, things like that. It'll cover all those. And once you apply this product, you're gonna wanna water it in, or maybe do it before a rain, and that'll help activate the ingredient. This says that it'll last up to 3 months. I think outside that'll take probably less than that. I think it'll last up to a month. You're gonna have to reapply this. But it is a great product. It is pretty easy to use and over the counter. And it basically acts as an extra protection to take care of the bugs before they even get to your home. So those are some great steps to prevent insects from getting inside your home. If you guys are having really bad issues with, say, ants or wasps, build a nest, get inside, I highly recommend that you guys call a pest professional, and here at Turf Badger, we'd love to help you. If you guys like this video and it was helpful for you guys, I hope you guys would like and subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.